Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm going to unbox the brand new Glossybox. This is the October Glossybox. I'm thinking Halloween, I'm thinking winter, autumn, colder month beauty. I'm very excited. I have absolutely no idea what's inside, so let's unbox it together. And also, if I look very rough to you today, I have an excuse. It is because Mary woke me up at 2:30 in the morning and she did not go back to sleep till like 5:30 in the morning. And I was like crying the whole time. I'm so tired. I cannot handle a lack of sleep. So if I look tired and unhinged today, that is why. Anyway, you don't need my sob story. Let's unbox. Let's just open it up. Oh my God. This is how badly my day is going. I cannot even open a cardboard box. I got there. So this month we have the classic pink Glossybox. I feel like I haven't seen the classic pink box for a sweet time. So yeah, it's quite light. Let's have a look. Okay, you know I'm usually a fan of best till last, but today I just see something so exciting that I'm like, let's just have a look because I cannot wait. This is so good. This is Rodial and this is the hyaluronic mask and it's from the Dragon's Blood range. If you don't know this range, it's probably their most famous and most loved range that they do. Apparently Kylie Jenner is a big fan, or at least was until she launched her own range. You know how it is. But anyway, this is an incredible mask. It's hyaluronic, so it's really moisturizing. Exactly what I need right now. And this is a nice big tube. I think it's around 30 mils. It's in fluid ounces. I don't know what to do with that information. Anyway, this is the mask and that's what it looks like. This is honestly a top tier product. So I could not be more excited about this. And let's see what we've got next. Ooh, this is nice. So this is by Grüum Beauty, who I hope I'm pronouncing correctly. And this is the melting sleep butter. Apparently you break a little bit off, put it in the bath, and I think it's like this kind of soothing, melting bath loveliness. You can use it in the bath or the shower, and it contains natural oils to hydrate and repair as they melt into your skin and make you ready for sleep. And honestly, as somebody who didn't sleep very well last night, I may be cracking into this tonight. This is what the bar looks like. Oh, it smells really good. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, I may even put some in the bath for Mary, so hopefully she gets a good night's sleep too. Okay, this box is incredible. It just keeps giving like really, really, really good stuff. The next item is by Color Wow. Let's get it in focus. And this is their Dream Cocktail Kale Infused, and it's the leave-in strengthening treatment. It's 50 mils, so it's a travel size. And if you know Color Wow, you will know their products are incredible. So this is absolutely incredible. I'm so excited. I can't normally afford Color Wow, so this is such a treat. Okay, I'm gonna be honest here. I have no idea what this next product is. So this is by Bang Beauty, and it's, I don't know if it's either an eyeliner, which is one of those really pale eyeliners, or if it's a lip liner where you're meant to kind of like almost do reverse lip lining. I don't know. You know, the kind where it like, it's so that your lipstick doesn't bleed. I genuinely don't know. I should probably look this up. Okay, I had a look. I think it's actually an eyeliner. It's one of those ones where like you put it, I think, underneath so that it makes your eyes appear brighter, which quite frankly, I need. I swear to God, they know exactly what I need today. I need sleep products. I need things to brighten my eyes. It's a tough day. Okay, and then the final item is this. It is by Couture Hath Beauty. Let's try and get it in focus. There we go. Hath or House? Probably House, isn't it? And it's a lip butter in shade Iced Coffee. So this is what it looks like, and I have to be honest, Iced Coffee, that's going to be a brown tone. That's not for me. So I'm not going to open it. I'm not going to swatch it because you know me, I like to be generous with the things that I don't like from a beauty box, the things that are not going to work for me. I try not to use and swatch because I don't want to like give them away and be like, oh, it is used, but here, you can have it. I would prefer to give away my beauty things that have not been used so that somebody can enjoy it and actually genuinely have a treat. I can find a little swatchy to insert here. There we go. But if not, yeah, maybe you'll see it on somebody else's video. But yeah, I just know that I am not going to use it and I don't want to be wasteful. So that, I think, is my video. But we've got such bangers in this box. I mean, Colour Wow, incredible. Rodial, amazing. The Grüum, this melting sleep bathy stuff, I mean, a joy. And I have always wanted to try one of those, like, whitening, I don't know what, where did I put it? Like, seriously, where did I put it? Oh, here it is. I found it. I have always wanted to try one of these, like, whitening eyeliners. I was going to swatch it, but here we go. Let's swatch it here. My God, the light today. There we go. So there's a little swatch. It's just to kind of, you know, make your eye area look a bit brighter. Also, apologies for how manky my skin is. I'm always catching myself on like everything, like Mary's nails, knives, splinters, gardening, you know how it is. Anyway, that is my video. Apologies that I am so tired today. It was a really tough night. Mary is normally an incredible sleeper. I don't like to talk about it because I know that other parents get very triggered by other children like sleeping really well. But I am one of those parents today who's like, I am so tired because of my toddler. Anyway, that is my video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.